In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify API key. Whether you want to connect third-party apps, build custom integrations, or work with Shopify development tools, your API key is an essential part of the process. So let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Apps and Sales Channels. This section manages all app-related features connected to your Shopify store. Now click on Develop Apps. If app development is disabled on your store, Shopify may ask you to enable custom app development first. Simply follow the prompts and confirm to continue. After that, click on Create an App. You'll now be asked to give your app a name. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your app, then click Create App again. Once the app is created, you'll be taken to the app overview page. From here, click on API Credentials. This is where Shopify stores all the important authentication details for your custom app. Inside the API Credentials section, you'll find your API key along with other credentials like the API secret key and access tokens. Click Reveal Token or copy the API key depending on what you need for your integration. Make sure to keep these credentials secure because anyone with access to them could potentially interact with your Shopify store data. If your integration requires permissions, you'll also need to configure admin API scopes before installing the app. Simply select the permissions your app needs and save the changes. After configuring permissions, click Install App and Shopify will generate your admin API access token. You can then use your API key and token to connect apps, automation tools, CRMs, or custom software to your Shopify store. For more developer documentation and API setup guides, visit the official Shopify developer documentation. And that's it. You now know how to get your Shopify API key and set up custom app access inside Shopify. Thanks for watching.